biggest source of pollution is residential landscaping, all the lawns, everything that we are putting on, all the fertilizers, all of the mixes to have the greenest grass. That's the biggest irrigated crop in the country. So what I'm doing is pretty extreme. Like, I've killed all my grass and I'm putting all edible landscaping and have my little microfarm. MOshrooms, it's a regenerative microfarm, and the main focus is soil building and building healthy soil so we can grow healthy food. And I do that by coordinating a residential food waste composting service for families in my community. I go once a week to pick up food waste in Rockwood and Parkway school district. Customers will put their bucket of food waste in front of their garage, wherever is convenient, in front of their garage on their front porch. And I pick that up and give them a clean bucket. And if they order any of our tomatoes or arugula, basil, then I deliver the produce in reusable bags that I made out of my kids' t-shirts, like where you cut the sleeves and the neck out and tie the bottoms together. So they just return the bags or glass jars or plastic containers. And I just wash and reuse everything. Then I ferment the food waste in buckets in my garage. It's called bokashi. It's based on Korean natural farming, kind of like kimchi, or like, if you pickle things. So I ferment the food waste in my garage in buckets for several weeks, maybe a couple months, depending on how long it takes. And then after it's fully fermented, then I hot compost it in the duck area over there, or I have I think I have like 70 worm bins in my basement. How I keep everything contained, I just make a little barrier. I have buckets of the bokashi compost. This is what it looks like. There's like this white mold on top. This is food waste that's been fermenting for a couple weeks in the garage, and it gets this white mold on top. You can smell it's a little bit. I take the wood chips from the pathways and other carbon material, make a big base layer, and then I layer up my browns and greens to build a hot compost. And this is my dishwater. So this is one of the things we do, collect the dishwater inside and use it to water the garden and the compost. Some customers will want the processed compost back, so every spring and fall I will do a compost delivery where they can get their processed compost put in their garden. So I think it's nice to know that your food waste is getting composted, supporting a local small business. It smells better than bokashi. It does. My ultimate goal is to convince people to, number one, stop fertilizing their grass, hopefully remove some grass and put in a pollinator garden, maybe grow some food, and just have conversations about the environment and what we are doing does not just affect us. So I think, we need people to see, like, it's not hard or it's not easy, but, eventually if you put enough effort into it, it'll be something that everyone can enjoy. Hopefully I'm gonna sit down and enjoy some wine in here someday.